Before carbon fiber and extreme torque, there was just an anvil. In 1896, Johann Abt wasn't tuning Audis, he was shoeing horses. By 1967, his descendants swapped hooves for racing wheels, founding ABT. The real game changer hit in 1991 when Hans-Jürgen Abt took over. He built ABT SportsLine, turning a family workshop into a global force. Meanwhile, his brother Christian dominated the racetrack in DTM series. Here is their secret. ABT does not build cars from scratch. They transform Audis and VWs into something angrier and much faster. The RS6 Johann Abt Signature Edition? Only 64 units were ever made. The R8 GTR? Just 25 exist. They vanish through rapid pre-orders. How does a family tuner rival automotive giants? Strategic partnerships. As Audi's official partner, they co-engineer extreme performance on the track. Now they are expanding into electric mobility and Formula E racing. Over 130 years later, the original blacksmith shop looks to the future. Witness the evolution of speed. Upgrade your legacy with ABT today.